Hi everybody, welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Today, we'll talk about bakery interior design ideas. Hopefully, the pictures presented will provide inspiration for all of you. Let's just get started. Bakery shop interior design is an essential aspect of running a successful bakery business. A well-designed interior can attract more customers, create a comfortable ambiance, and enhance the overall bakery experience. Here are some bakery shop interior design inspiration ideas to help you create a beautiful and functional space for your bakery. A rustic bakery shop interior design is all about showcasing natural materials and finishes. Use materials such as wood, brick, and stone to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. This design style is perfect for bakeries that specialize in artisanal bread, pastries, and cakes. A minimalist bakery shop interior design is perfect for a modern and sleek bakery. Use simple lines, neutral colors, and minimal decor to create a clean and elegant space. This design style is ideal for bakeries that focus on creating high-quality baked goods using modern techniques and ingredients. A vintage bakery shop interior design is all about creating a sense of nostalgia and history. Use vintage decor, old-fashioned signage, and antique displays to create a unique and charming space. This design style is perfect for bakeries that specialize in traditional baked goods such as pies, cookies, and cakes. An industrial bakery shop interior design is perfect for a bakery that wants to stand out from the crowd. Use materials such as concrete, steel, and exposed brick to create a raw and edgy atmosphere. This design style is ideal for bakeries that specialize in innovative and creative baked goods. A bright and colorful bakery shop interior design is perfect for a bakery that wants to create a fun and playful atmosphere. Use bright colors, playful patterns, and whimsical decor to create a cheerful and inviting space. This design style is ideal for bakeries that specialize in children's birthday cakes and cupcakes. In conclusion, a well-designed bakery shop interior can create a unique and memorable experience for your customers. By choosing the right design style that complements your bakery's branding and style, you can create a space that is functional, beautiful, and inviting. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video helps you to make a bakery interior design ideas. Thank you.